Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is Friday, September 7th. I have plans today. It is me and my boyfriend's 3-year anniversary. He's at work right now, but I have an urge to surprise him a little bit with a new look. I've been thinking about this for a long time, so I'm getting really bored with my hair. You know, I've been trying to grow out my hair for so many years, and it's going, you know, it's good. It's at a good length. It's to my butt, but I'm trying to grow it out more. I'm just having such a big urge to like chop it off at this point, or do something hella dramatic. If you haven't followed me for a while, or personally know me, I've always done stuff to my hair. Growing up, I've always dyed it, I've always cut it. I've had this side all shaved off and, you know, bald, and was rocking like that one, you know, shaved side part. I've had my hair green, pink, magenta, blue, teal, purple, gray. Like, I've had my hair many colors, but I stopped dyeing it because I really wanted my hair to get back to its healthy state, and then maybe dye it later on in the future. But right now I really want to do something dramatic, and I've been seeing people or videos of people cutting their own bangs, and I really want to cut myself some bangs. My big sister had bangs, but she had more of the what's that model's called? She had more of like that vintage style bang where it goes like right here and it curves like that. I don't really want to do that because I don't want to take her style, and plus I don't think it'd look good on me. I've had bangs that go right here before when I was younger, but I really want to go for more of a subtle type of a light bang look. So we are gonna cut some bangs today. I'm super nervous because I am doing this by myself, because I just want to do it myself. No, I'm, like I said before, I'm super nervous because I haven't had bangs in a long time, but I really want change really bad. And I feel like, excuse me, I think I have a pretty good forehead size for some bangs, for some light ones. So let's just get into this. The worst part, if I mess up, I can always just do a side part and just hide the bangs until, you know, they grow back. So if this is a fail, then I can't blame no one but myself. So let's just get into this. I watched a couple videos and you know, gathered up some data and like gathered up some like tips on how to make my bangs look more light. So that's the tips I'm trying to do. What they first did was to part your hair. Sorry if I'm looking like into the camera. There's a mirror behind my lens so I can actually see what I'm doing. I'm gonna part my hair. I'm so nervous, you guys. And please, if you're under the age of 18, please have parent permission before you guys cut or do anything to your hair. Because I remember my dad was so mad the first time I dyed my hair blue. He was so mad because I'd always mess up the bathroom, and if you know Mexican parents, they know they love having their house cleaned all the time. So yeah, so I'm just gonna brush my hair. I straightened it because I thought it was gonna look better. So what they did was they made like a small triangle in the part of their bang, like that. Actually, I have nails, so I'm just gonna get a triangle portion and then start pulling this back. And again, as you guys can see, triangle. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I think I might need more, so I'm gonna grab a little bit more on this side. also have my straightener on so I can fix my bang after. So I'm just gonna... Okay, you guys have no idea how nervous I'm getting at this second. I just want like a super light bang. I don't want nothing too crazy. I mean, I'm just scared of cutting my hair off and then it messing up and the cut not looking that good. Okay, but I think... I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Like I said, it's just hair. I just keep telling myself it's just hair. It's gonna grow back. It's just gonna grow back. So let's just alright, let's I'm so scared. Okay, let's just, there's no going back. There's no going back. Okay, that's my hair. I feel like I obviously still need to cut more, but I'm just really scared to cut some more. Just like I said, I am not a professional, so do not do this at home. If you're gonna get something cut, just go to a professional. I just don't have the money to be going to a professional salon. So I don't mind just doing it at my house. I look crazy right now, so don't mind me. I'm back, you guys. So this is the final look of my bangs. I think it looks super cute, especially when my hair is gonna be curly. Right now I feel like it looks a little flat, but I really like it. It is gonna take me time to get used to, because I've never had well, I told you guys earlier, I've had bangs, but I didn't have them until when I was like sophomore, junior year in high school. I'm 21 now, so that was a long time ago. And I told you I had like the more really thick cut bangs, the ones that go under your eyebrow. But I really wanted like light bangs, something really simple and something really cute, because my mom had light bangs before. I will post a picture of my beautiful mom right here with her and her bangs, and that's the kind of style I was really going for. And I think I got that style. It took me a while to cut them and like cut them to my shape and how I like them. I'm really picky when it comes to my hair. If I don't like it, then I'm gonna be super mad or annoyed or upset. The only thing I'm like, you know, just gotta get used to it, like I said. But the only thing I'm nervous is for my boyfriend's reaction. I know he's gonna like it, and I know he's gonna think I look beautiful no matter what, but I just have anxiety and I just have anxiety of people, you know, just like anxiety problems, and I'm just super nervous to show him because he's never seen me with bangs, ever. He's only seen me just with colored hair, but he's never seen me with bangs, and I don't know how he's gonna act. I know he's gonna be surprised, and I know he's still gonna like it. I'm just being, letting my anxiety get the best of me. But I think they look super cute. I think they came out super, super cute as well. I'm really happy with them, honestly, and I think I am going to be growing to like them, because when I didn't have the bangs, I would put my hair up in the top knot up here, and I feel like I needed something, you know. I feel like I needed something in this area because my forehead was looking a little big. So I feel like now when I put my hair up in the bun and I have my bangs, I feel like it's gonna look so cute. Let me see how my bangs look with my glasses. I don't think they look that bad when I have my seeing glasses on, but I hardly wear them anyways when I have my makeup on. But I like it, to be honest. I think I look super cute. I feel like I look like I'm 12, but I mean, who doesn't think I'm 12 anyways, you know? Story time. There was this one time I was in In-N-Out, right? I was at the beverage area. I was there chilling, you know, getting my pink lemonade, because if you don't go to In-N-Out just to get pink lemonade, their pink lemonade is bomb. I was there and this old man came up to me and he was like, "So, what time does school get out?" And I was just like, I didn't know he was talking to me, so I was just like, you know, minding my business, you know, putting my pink lemonade and like my lemon inside my drink, and he was just staring at me. He's like, "Excuse me?" And I was like, "Oh, are you talking to me?" And he was like, "Yeah, I'm talking to you." He's like, "What time does school start?" I was like, end. And I was like, I don't know, I graduated like a long time ago. And he's like, "No way, how old are you?" And I was like, I think at the time I was like 21, and he was like, I was like, "Oh, I'm 21. And he's like, "No way, I thought you were 10. He literally thought I was 10. 10 years old. He literally thought I was 10. And I was just like, "Oh no." And he's like, "Oh, your age fooled me." So I'm probably gonna get this more often. But moral of the story, these are my bangs. I think I look super cute, angelic, awesome. Like my mom. I kind of feel like Uma Thurman, because she has black hair, I think, and one of the part, not black hair, she has blonde hair. I don't know. Oh yeah, she is. She has in Pulp Fiction, she has black short hair, but I don't have short hair, I have long hair. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me having an anxiety attack and cutting my bangs. You know, Britney Spears moment, 2007. I didn't really shave my head, but I mean, I cut something, you know. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe down below, because I make new videos every single week. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like more random videos like this, and then anytime I want to do something major to my body, I will film and record it for you guys. If you guys want to follow me on my social medias, everything will be linked right here. And I hope everyone is having an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Wow. Oh God. How I look? Tell me how I look. Exactly.